In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create product lists on JungleScout, a tool designed to help Amazon sellers find profitable products and make data-driven decisions. If you're new to JungleScout, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build product lists that will help you get ahead of the competition. Stick around because I'll also share how you can use JungleScout for free with some exclusive bonuses. Creating product lists on JungleScout is one of the easiest ways to organize your product research. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to narrow down your product selection, this tool can save you time and provide actionable insights. So let's dive right in. First, you need to log into JungleScout. If you don't have an account yet, you can get started for free. Check the first link below for an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses. Once you're logged in, head over to the Index Product Database Font section. This is where you can start your search. Now, you'll want to use the filters to narrow down your search based on specific criteria, things like sales rank, price range, review count, and more. JungleScout has a ton of filters, so you can fine-tune your results to match exactly what you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for products that are under $50 with a high number of reviews, just set those parameters, and JungleScout will show you a list of products that match. Once you've set your filters, it's time to start adding products to your list. As you browse through the results, you'll see an option to add items to your auto product list. Simply click the Add to List button, and your selected products will be saved to a new or existing list. You can organize your lists into categories, so if you're researching different niches, it's easy to compare products side by side. Once you've added a product, JungleScout will display key data points like average sales, reviews, price, and estimated monthly revenue. This helps you make informed decisions and identify profitable products. When your list is ready, you can export it to a CSV file for further analysis. This is really helpful for looking at trends, checking your product ideas against each other, or sharing the list with your team. The more you refine your lists, the more you'll be able to fine-tune your product selection strategy. If you're using JungleScout for the first time, the platform might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's incredibly powerful once you get the hang of it. And if you need more in-depth tutorials, you can always access their learning resources or check out more videos like this one. To recap, here's how to create your product list on JungleScout. Log in, set your search filters, start adding products to your list, and organize them by category. It's that simple. The data provided will help you make better, more informed decisions as you scale your business. Before we wrap up, don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below. With this offer, you can explore everything JungleScout has to offer and start building your product lists with confidence. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and start creating your product lists on JungleScout to take your Amazon business to the next level.